WSL2 installing Linux failed. Error code 0x80370114. I've installed PowerShell and WSL using the Microsoft docs. However, when attempting to WSL install Kali Linux from PowerShell, I'm getting an error 0x80370114.
Well, some good news and bad news. First, the good, from a couple of searches that resulted in this, and this, I believe the error that you are receiving is due to an incorrect setting in Windows exploit protection. Check in Windows Security, App and Browser Control, Exploit Protection Settings. In System Settings, Control Flow Guard, CFG, should be on. In my case, it is Use Default on. In Program Settings, there should be entries for C:\Windows/System32/VM-Compute.exe. C:\Windows/System32/VMWP.exe. Both should have Control Flow Guard set to Override System Settings on. Use Strict CFG. There are some reports that turning these off corrects the problem, but that's probably more of a patch than a true resolution. Hopefully that will resolve the 0x80370114 error. Now the bad news. When I last checked a few days ago, the version of Kali that is installed via WSL install is still so old that it won't even update. See this answer for details and potential solutions. It's best if you can install from the store.
Windows subsystem feature was disabled. I fixed it using these CMDs below. Or press Start and search Windows features, then tick mark the following.
None of the previous answers worked for me. What did the trick was simply updating Windows. There wasn't even a relevant update. I had to search for any, and then after executing it, Ubuntu started working. Saw this as an answer to the same question here.
One-liner that includes enabling Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform Windows, Subsystem Linux, Enable Code FlowGuard, CFG, for compute.exe. You will need to restart for changes to take effect.